Hey guys, I got an unboxing. Let's see. The deck seems really thin. Hella tight. Split ply is really nice. This is sick. It's like super wide. Top lacquering looks kind of goofy though. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of dotty. But yeah.